Hi, welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to discuss about the stock price prediction of SBI card using some machine learning algorithm. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First, we will see the fundamental analysis of the company. Then we will see like what our machine learning algorithm is predicting for SBI card for November and December 2021. Then we will do the manual analysis of this particular stock using some charts and indicators. So as we know, like SBI Card is dealing with the cards and payments, and which is a large cap company with more than 1 lakh crore market capital, and its all-time high is around 1,165, and its P is a little bit higher, but since this is only one listed company in NSE which deals with the cards and payments, it is fine. So this is the quarterly results of the company. So we can see like it's a quarterly revenues keep on improving in every quarter, and it's a profit and profit before and net profit is also in a good shape. So this is a right company for a long term and short term investment. So this is the profit and loss statement. So we can see like its revenues keep on improving in every year, and profit before tax and net profit is also keep on improving in every year. So this is the data input we have given for this algorithm. We have taken data from 2021 March 16. So on this day, SBI card is listed in NSE, and we have taken data till 2021 November 11th. So we can see like from the listed time onwards, SBI card is in a clear uptrend, and this is what algorithm is predicted. So what is there in blue is like data till date we have given to the algorithm as an input, and what is there in green is what algorithm is predicted, and what is there in orange is what is actual SBI price. So we can see like what algorithm predicted, and what the actual price is almost matching, and what is there in red is what algorithm is predicted for future. So we can see like as per algorithm, SBI card will take as support and a reversal from around 1050, and it will have another resistance around 1150. So we can enter into in this range and can have a target to in this particular range. So here we can see we can enter into around 1050, and we can set a target as 1150, which is around 9 percentage profit. So 9 percentage profit we can book around short time. So this is the daily candlestick chart we have taken from Chartlink. So we can see like SBI card is moving up either along 100 moving average or along 200 moving average. So we can see uh, prices keep on moving up and with higher lows. So we can enter around this particular price around 1050, or we can have a buffer of 10 rupees. So 1050 to 60 range we can enter, and as a target one we can have in this particular resistance line we can book the first profit, which is 1150, and if stock is closing its all-time high as 1165, we can take a second target as 1200. So this is a weekly chart, so we can see it is in a clear uptrend, and here there is a resistance. And this is our open interest data for NSE. So here we can see like a put sell is much higher than the call sell. So we can expect Nifty will move up in upcoming weeks, third week of November and December. And this is for the 25th November. So we can here also we can see put option is much better than the call option sell. So this is indicating like Nifty will go up. So this is our FIA and DA data we have taken from Opstra. So here as well, compared to last week of October, we can see like things are much improved. Like there are sell is much lesser than the last week of October, and there are buy as well for by FIA and DA. So which indicates Nifty also will move up. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please do comment. And if you have any stocks to analyze, please do in a comment. So thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.